The object of this exercise is to practice drawing squares, and what I'd like you to do is reproduce this little pattern that you see in the bottom right corner. Now that's pretty complicated to do, so what I'm going to suggest you do is focus on your basic line, which is this way through here. Create this pattern that I'm drawing at the moment. And we do that, and then we do the lines from there. So if I'm going to be, oh sorry, it's not that one, it's this one first. So let's start up in this top corner. I can draw my line from there to there, I can draw my line from there to there, and I can draw my line from there to there. That's these three. Then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to start over here. I'm going to draw that one. From here it comes to there, it comes up to there, it goes across to there, and then it comes, actually comes down to here, so this comes down this way, sorry, not there. Okay, so there we have it. That's your starting point. You get that there. And then the exercise is, as you've seen in the video that I've given you, to practice a perfect square. What you do is you concentrate on first doing your parallel line, and then you come over here and here. And you're going to do these little lines fairly lightly to start with, so that you can look at that and say, well, that's not a great square, that's not very parallel. There we go. And once it's done, you can come in here and you can make this bold and you can make it pop. And then you move on to the next one. Okay, so from here you've got a line to work off, so go do a parallel line there. That I can see is not going to be far enough, so do another one there. Now I come and I do my perpendicular line there and there. Now that's not too bad, but my square is probably still a little bit squat, so I'm going to come back over here. That looks better, so I'm going to come in and make that dark. And that is how I develop my perfect square. And all you're going to be doing is going around and doing this again and again until the exercise is complete. Just like that. Except hopefully we're going to get that one a little bit better. Alright, so that's the exercise. Please just focus on doing this curve first, the basic line first. As I say, it's not this one, so it comes down here, and it's this one, it's not that one. So join up your dots, create your basic line, and then just go around and build your squares inside that.